Edukasyon para sa mga kabataan, yan daw ang advokasya ng newly crowned Miss Universe 2016 na si Iris Metenar ng France. Pero pinag-usapan online ng ilang pagkakamali sa pag-translate ng interpreter sa sagot niya sa final question. Narito unang balita ni Mav Gonzalez.
Matapos ang 3 linggong kompetisyon, si Iris Metenar ng France ang kinoronahang bagong Miss Universe. France! Si Iris ay isang 23-year-old dental surgery student. May taas siyang 5 feet and 8 inches at mahilig sa extreme sports, traveling and cooking. Sa final Q&A portion, pareho ang tanong sa top 3 finalists na sina Miss France, Miss Haiti at Miss Colombia.
Name something over the course of your life that you failed at and tell us what you learned from that experience.
Sumagot si Iris in French na isinali naman ng kanyang interpreter.
So I think that when you fail, you have to be elevated and you have to try again and keep going.
Finalement, j'ai eu ma première année de médecine.
So I think that I have failed before, but for me, this is the great first opportunity.
Napabilib ng dalaga ang mga hurado.
The fact that she is exotic and yet very, very real, even at a distance, standing on the stage, she connected. Even in a foreign language, she connected.
Pero si Kapuso star Solenn Yusaf agad nag-react sa sagot ni Miss France. Maliraw kasi ang pagkakatranslate ng interpreter. Imbes na first year of medicine school, first casting daw ang ginamit ng interpreter. To the rescue rin sa bagong Miss UC Urban Yusaf na nag-tweet ng buo at tamang translation ng sagot ni Iris. Matapos makoronahan, humarap sa media si Miss France sa kauna-unahan niyang press briefing bilang Miss Universe.
How tough was it to answer the final question?
This is a little bit difficult question, and I want to answer with my heart. And you know, in French, we have 3 words. It's freedom, equality, and fraternity. And we have people for the opening of our borders and people against. And I don't want to choose.
Kung si Queen P ay HIV awareness ang advocacy, ang bagong Miss U naman ay edukasyon para sa mga kabataan.
I really want to bring all the children at school. This is one of my charity, and I think this is the most important education for every children.
Ang mga Pinoy masaya rin sa pagkapanalo ni Miss France. Mayroon ding mga natuwa at mayroon ding nalungkot nang agad na palitan ang pangalan ni Miss Universe 2015 P Awards back sa Instagram at Twitter accounts ng Miss Universe organization. Naging viral din ang picture at video kung saan hinanap at yakap ni Queen P ang pambato nating si Maxine matapos ang announcement of winners. Para sa unang balita, Mav Gonzalez reporting.